to do it again.
No, he's not making that sound. You have to wait till he's eating. Okay, now it's a start.
Hey, Bandit.
Okay, go back there and eat again.
It's supposed to be.
You're a good kitten. Come on.
Hey, Bandit. Good boy. Much better.
He wanted to bite me. Stop harassing me.
Much better. Much better, cute kitty. Much better. I know how to calm him down. Bandit, you won't let me. Oh, never mind. Do that thing again. Mama.
You have to go back to eat again. He said, no, you're annoying.
I know a trick to calm him down. Just see, it's me. It's me, Bandit. See, if I just do this, Bandit, you're not cooperating.
Yeah, so he's making this noise when he's eating. We'll turn on different sound.
It sounds like he's drowning.
It's annoying. I know it's annoying, but I just want you to be clean, to be pretty.
Bandit. I think that's hurting him.
Some air, very stuck. You see, especially here, he cannot lick himself.
Of course
so
he can.
No, not on his own neck.
I know.
Can you use your tongue reach your neck?
No, I said
That's
of
why
course he can.
Yeah, that's why it's very, you go through, it's very hard to comb through. I'm trying to help you, make you feel better. Yeah, you like it. I know you like it.
No, you won't.
Yes, you do. He's running away.
Bandit, come back. Please. I know a way to calm him down. Bandit, you're not cooperating anymore.